Are you ready to elevate your CNC programming skills? Welcome to MACROMILL's CNC Macro Entry-Level course, a comprehensive introduction to the realm of CNC parametric programming. Don't just survive in the machining industry, thrive with solid foundational skills. Here's what you can expect from this course. A journey to mastering the art of creating efficient macro programs, enhancing your career prospects significantly. Plus, you'll earn a certificate of completion to showcase your prowess in CNC programming. Not just a course, but a stepping stone to your career progression. Ready to take the next leap in CNC programming? Dive deeper with our intermediate, advanced, and expert courses. These courses are designed to enhance your understanding and proficiency in CNC programming. Stay ahead in the ever-evolving industry with our range of courses. Learning at your pace with our guidance. With MACROMILL, enjoy lifelong access to resources and the wisdom of expert instructors. We are here to guide you every step of the way. Ready to invest in your future? Click the link and start your journey to become a CNC programming expert today.